Hey, techies! This channel is all about bringing you the latest news, reviews, and updates from the world of technology. From new smartphone releases, to AI developments, to gaming hardware, you'll find videos covering all the biggest topics in tech right here. The Quest 3 is the latest virtual reality headset from Oculus, offering an immersive and high-quality VR experience. With improved features and performance, it bridges the gap between standalone and PC VR. Let's dive into the details of this exciting new device. The Quest 3 comes in two impressive models to cater to different storage needs. The first option is the 128GB model, priced at $499. With ample storage space, this model is perfect for avid gamers who enjoy a wide variety of games and apps. For those who crave even more storage, the 512GB model is the ultimate choice. Priced at $649, this model offers an abundance of space to store your favorite games, immersive experiences, and multimedia content. The design and customization options of the Quest 3 set it apart from its predecessor, the Quest 2. This new model features a different layout that includes several upgrades and improvements to enhance the overall user experience. One notable aspect of the Quest 3 is its eye-catching appearance. It comes with a choice of either a blue or orange head strap, allowing users to personalize their device according to their style and preferences. Additionally, it includes a facial interface kit for further customization, ensuring a comfortable and secure fit for every user. In terms of functionality, the Quest 3 incorporates several useful features. It includes a USB-C port for charging, providing a convenient and fast way to power up the device. The inclusion of a 3.5mm headphone jack allows users to easily connect their headphones for immersive audio experiences. The Quest 3 also features a volume rocker, making it effortless to adjust the sound levels without having to navigate through menus or settings. Furthermore, it offers a granular IPD adjustment dial, allowing users to fine-tune the interpupillary distance for optimal visual clarity. Another improvement in the design of the Quest 3 lies in its audio capabilities. The device comes with improved speakers, delivering enhanced sound quality and immersion during gameplay or media consumption. Despite the enhancements and additional features, the Quest 3 maintains a slim form factor, ensuring a comfortable fit for extended periods of wear. The slight increase in weight does not compromise the overall experience, as the device remains lightweight and easy to use. The Quest 3 is the latest virtual reality headset from Oculus, and it comes packed with advanced tracking and camera capabilities. These features contribute to an immersive and seamless VR experience. One of the standout features of the Quest 3 is its inside-out tracking system. With 4 tracking cameras built into the headset, 2 on the lower sides and 2 on the front, the Quest 3 can accurately track your movements in 3D space without the need for external sensors. This means you have freedom of movement and can explore virtual environments without worrying about setting up additional hardware. In addition to the inside-out tracking cameras, the Quest 3 also has 2 18ppd RGB cameras for color pass-through. These cameras enable you to see your surroundings while wearing the headset, creating a mixed reality experience. Whether you're playing a game or exploring a virtual world, the color pass-through cameras add an extra layer of immersion. One of the standout features of the Quest 3 is its depth sensor. This sensor enables depth projection, which means the headset can accurately map your physical environment in real time. This automatic room mapping enhances the overall tracking experience, ensuring that your movements are captured accurately and that virtual objects interact seamlessly with your surroundings. The Quest 3's tracking and camera capabilities are truly impressive. The inside-out tracking cameras, RGB color pass-through cameras, and depth sensor work together to deliver a VR experience like no other. When it comes to performance and display, the Oculus Quest 3 certainly doesn't disappoint. Powered by the new XR2 Gen 2 Qualcomm Snapdragon processor and 8GB of RAM, this virtual reality headset offers an impressive level of power and speed. Whether you're playing games or watching videos, you can expect smooth and seamless performance. Another standout feature of the Quest 3 is its graphical capabilities. With twice the graphical power of its predecessor, this headset delivers stunning visuals that truly immerse you in the virtual world. The pancake lenses play a crucial role in this, providing excellent edge-to-edge clarity. Every detail is crisp and clear, making the experience more immersive and lifelike. Not only does the Quest 3 excel in terms of graphical performance, but its display also leaves a lasting impression. With a resolution of 2064 by 2208 pixels per eye, the visuals are incredibly sharp and vibrant. Whether you're exploring virtual landscapes or engaging in intense gameplay, the high resolution adds depth and realism to every scene. Another aspect that enhances the overall experience is the Quest 3's wider field of view. By expanding the field of view, the headset creates a more encompassing environment that surrounds you. It's as if you're truly stepping into another world, with the virtual reality environment stretching beyond your peripheral vision. The Oculus Quest 3's performance and display capabilities make it a standout choice for virtual reality enthusiasts. Its powerful processor and ample RAM ensure smooth performance, while the pancake lenses and high-resolution display offer stunning visuals. Combined with the wider field of view, the Quest 3 transports users into a truly immersive virtual world. The Quest 3 is known for its focus on comfort and accessories. One of the standout features is the improved default material strap that comes with the headset. This strap provides a secure and comfortable fit, ensuring that the Quest 3 stays firmly in place during gameplay. When it comes to the controllers, the Quest 3 does not disappoint. They are designed to feel familiar and lighter than the Quest Pro controllers. The improved haptic feedback motors enhance the overall gaming experience, providing more realistic and immersive sensations. One notable change from the previous model is the removal of the tracking ring on the controllers. This enables closer interaction with virtual objects without the risk of collision. Players can now enjoy seamless gameplay without any interruptions caused by accidental controller collisions. The Quest 3's pass-through and mixed reality mode bring an exciting enhancement to the virtual reality experience. With improved color cameras, the Quest 3 offers up to 10 times more pixels than its predecessor, the Quest 2. This upgrade results in a sharper and more detailed view of the real world when in mixed reality mode. The mixed reality demos for the Quest 3 have been nothing short of impressive. Users can witness objects breaking through physical walls within their virtual environment, creating a truly immersive and mind-bending experience. This breakthrough technology blurs the line between the physical and virtual worlds, making the virtual feel more real than ever before. One exciting feature of the Quest 3 is the ability to place spatially anchored objects called augments on walls. This means that virtual objects can interact seamlessly with the physical environment, opening up a world of creative possibilities. Whether it's displaying helpful information or simply adding virtual decorations, augments add a new layer of depth to the mixed reality experience. When it comes to gaming, the Quest 3 has already shown its potential with optimized titles like Red Matter 2. With its improved hardware and processing power, the Quest 3 offers a high-quality VR experience. Gamers can expect smoother gameplay, enhanced graphics, and a more immersive overall experience in their favorite virtual worlds. As virtual reality technology continues to advance, the newest addition to the Oculus Quest series, the Quest 3, is truly pushing the boundaries and redefining the line between standalone and PC VR experiences. With its impressive features and performance, the Quest 3 offers an immersive and enjoyable virtual reality experience for all enthusiasts. One of the key highlights of the Quest 3 is its standalone capability, allowing users to experience virtual reality without the need for a powerful gaming PC. This means that you can simply put on the headset and dive into a virtual world, without any fuss or additional equipment. Whether you're at home or on the go, the Quest 3 provides a seamless VR experience that is portable and convenient. Despite being a standalone device, the Quest 3 doesn't compromise on performance. It is equipped with powerful hardware that enables smooth and realistic graphics, making your virtual adventures come to life. Whether you're exploring virtual worlds, engaging in action-packed games, or immersing yourself in cinematic experiences, the Quest 3 delivers stunning visuals and immersive audio and VR experience that will leave you amazed. The Quest 3 is a game-changer in the world of virtual reality. Its standalone capability, impressive performance, and extensive content library make it a must-have for VR enthusiasts. I'll put a link in the description below for where you can order the Quest 3 from Amazon. Be sure to subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell or more videos about all things tech. I aim to keep you in the loop on the newest gadgets, gaming hardware, AI, and other technology that's shaping our world. Thanks for watching.